Pag malamig ang panahon, hinahanap-hanap natin ng mainit na soup o sabaw sa masarap na noodle dish. Kaya naman ngayong umaga, tinuklas namin ang isang lugar dito sa Rojas Boulevard, Ermita para tikman ang wide variety ng authentic Japanese noodle dish na ramen. Thank you. Page para kwentuhan tayo sa hearty Japanese meal na ramen. Kasama ko ngayon ang Kokoro Ramenya Marketing Manager, Mr. Edward Go. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Homepage. So nice to meet you. Alright, so sir, I just want to ask po. So pag sinasabing Japanese noodles, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ng marami is yung ramen. Pero marami palang uri ng Japanese noodle dish. Pwedeng i-review po natin yung mga ka-homepage natin kung ano nga po pala yung ramen.
Well, alam mo EJ, ang ramen kasi originally came from Japan. When you say the word ramen, it basically has the noodles, it has the broth, and it also has the toppings.
Alright.
That sets them apart from the usual na mga pansit na nakikita mo sa mga iba-ibang restaurant. Ngayon, ano-ano itong mga broth na to? Meron tayong shiyo, which is salt-based.
Alright.
We also have the miso. Kilala naman natin yung miso soup, diba? We also have the shoyu, which is the soy sauce.
Alright.
And we also have the tonkotsu. It is the pork broth base. So yun yung pinakasikat na klase ng ramen. Ngayon, pagdating naman sa mga noodles, meron naman tayong tinatawag na thin noodles, flat noodles, meron naman tayong thick noodles, which is the soba, that you know, from the yakisoba. And we also have the thicker noodle, which is the udon, that you know. Yun yung mga yaki udon. And then, toppings, meron tayong corn, meron kang pork, meron kang vegetable, and you also have sometimes, nilalagyan mo pa siya ng mga toge.
Ayun, na favorite ko dahil gusto ko ng gulay.
Yun.
Right. Sir, napakaraming mga ramen house din dito sa bansa natin. Then, lahat daw, karamihan is kiniklaim nila na authentic daw yung ramen nila. Pero, paano ba talagang masasabi na yung ramen is authentic dun sa restaurant na kinakainan?
Tama ka, EJ. Nagsulputan na ang mga ramen restaurants ngayon, di ba? Authentic ramen means, number one, you must have a Japanese chef. Kailangan ang kusinero mo, talagang tubong Japan.
Straight from Japan daw talaga.
Number two, kailangan din yung broth mo, freshly made every day. And then, number three, your noodles need to be produced daily para makita mo yung freshness ng noodles mo.
And balita din namin, sir, na pag kumain kami dito, hindi lang basta ramen, kundi art of ramen ang may experience namin.
We are known to provide you with authentic ramen because, number one, our chef came from Japan. His name is Mr. Susumu Murata. He has almost 35 years of experience in the cooking industry.
Wow!
And number two, yung ingredients namin is really from Japan. We import them directly from Japan. And in terms of noodle, we also have our own noodle line. So yung noodle line na makikita nyo sa kitchen namin, daily yung tumatakbo. At daily pinoproduce ang ramen para makita namin yung freshness ng noodles na siniserve sa tulad mo, AJ.
Alright, sounds good, sir. So, sir, huwag na nating bitinin ang mga ka-homepage natin. Ako medyo nagugutom na sa mga kanikwento ni sir. Narito ang ilan sa kanilang must-try ramen. Sir, ano-ano po ba yung ramen na nasa harapan natin?
Siyempre, EJ, no? Ito yung mga, kumbaga sa top 3 na ramen natin, best sellers natin. We'll start off with one of the famous ramen that we have is the shoyu ramen. Ang shoyu ramen is a soy sauce based ramen.
Soy sauce.
Kung mapapansin mo, yung noodles natin very chewy yan. And then obviously we also have the toppings, we have the onions, we have the veggies. And syempre hindi magpapatalo yung chashu natin na 2 slices of chashu, which are the pork slices.
Okay, chashu pala.
Chashu ang tawag. And then syempre mas maganda siya topped with a soft-boiled egg.
Complete ng noodles.
Yes. Oo.
Then, this one naman.
Then this one, ito yung pinaka kumbaga sa, yun yung champion meal natin.
Nakita nga parang may, pagkakaiba sa bowl. Medyo mas malaki siya.
Aside from, we call this one, this is the Hakata Classic. Ang EJ, ang Hakata Classic, ang kagandahan dito, we boil the broth 18 hours to make it creamy, to make it more delicious, and obviously to have a creamy taste.
So, I assume before pa lang magbukas yung store din, binoboil na yung
Yes, in fact, gabi pa lang.
Talagang prepare na siya.
Ang kagandahan din dito, aside from the 2 slices of chashu, you also have obviously the soft-boiled egg, which is very appetizing. You also have some bamboo shoots.
And then this one,
These are mushrooms. These are wood ear mushrooms. And syempre meron ka pa rin red ginger on top.
Pang-accent na rin sa
Yes.
Tsaka may gulay, And then this one naman.
And ito naman, another variation of our shoyu noodles. That's the beef shoyu ramen.
Beef shoyu.
Ang maganda dyan, we use our tenderloin beef. Alam mo naman kapag tenderloin, napakalambot yan, di ba? And then masarap siya, and at the same time, ang tenderloin complements the base that we have, which is shoyu.
Wow. Alright mga homepage, excited na akong tikman lahat ng mga ramen nila dito. Thank you very much, Sir Richard Go, for having us here. Bukod sa ramen nila dito, present din ang iba't ibang Japanese dishes na katatakaman nyo sa pagbisita dito. Nako mga ka-homepage, hindi ko na kaya pang pigilan yung sarili ko kung kanina natatakam ako sa mga ramen na ito. Aba, oras naman para mabusog naman ako. Kaya naman para sa marami pang kakatakaman at kabubusugan nating lahat ngayong taglamig, ang gagawin nyo lang samahan kami araw-araw, matakam at mabusog dito lang sa Chibogato.